Dear learners, student and others, all of you are welcome in Kundu sir English learning classes or online classes. Now grammar class I am now going to start. Today's topics is voice change. Voice change is very much important for class 7, 8, 9, 10. Also in our practical life for communication, English communication. So first of all, I will explain what is voice. Voice is the form of a verb showing if the subject does the action or the subject suffers the action. Either it is doing or suffering by the action. Therefore, kind of voice may be active or passive. When the doer active, then sentence is to be called in active voice. When the doer is not active, that is in passive sense, then this sentence is to be termed as in passive voice. Then what is active voice? The active voice, the subject or doer, when active, when the subject acts and the voice is active or the verb is active, when the subject acts and the verb is active. Now when the subject does the action, the verb is active or in the active voice. When the subject does the action, subject is doing or done or doing the action, then the verb is in active or in active voice. Then we will conduct the class in 2 phases or 3 phases, from active voice to passive voice and passive voice to active voice. Now, a fundamental rule or the basic rule for voice change is, general rules to express a passive voice, the object takes the place of subject. That means object of this sentence will be converted as a subject. That means the object takes the place of subject. Subject mean and. It is to be written that and. What is and? Subject mentioned when they are after. When we are changing a sentence from active voice to passive voice, then first the object is to be placed in the place of subject or converted into subject. Thereafter, a be verb, then the subject is to be object and be verb and main verb is to be placed in the sentence in third form or past participle form. Also I am mentioning here the subject mentioned at the end of the subject or subject may be left out. That means in the passive voice, the original subject is to be mentioned at the place of object or end of the sentence or left out it, or when we are keeping the subject in the passive voice as an object or end of the sentence, it will place merely as an agent of the action done. Merely as an agent action done it is to be placed. So what is the fundamental rule now? Object should be converted into object should be subject plus be verb plus main verb in third form. Main verb in third form. Now I am doing some most simple sentence from active voice to passive voice. So I am giving example in the, because it is the beginning stage of voice change, so I will take two very simple sentence for explaining from for active voice to passive voice. Just I am writing, I take it. I take it. It is subject, it is verb in the present tense. So what is the form of present form of this verb take? Take. Present tense. Present form took. Past form and taken in the PP or third form. So it is the rule, sub object is to be placed as subject. So it is in the present tense, we want to place a be verb. It is. Then past participle form of take, this taken by me, that means it is taken by me. Now I am giving another example of this. I like coffee. I like coffee. It is simple past tense or in past indefinite tense. So that it is the object, it is the subject, and it is the verb. I like coffee. So like, liked, liked, like and liked. So what will be in the present passive voice from active to passive? That means coffee is liked by me. Both sentence I have taken in the most simple sentence in present indefinite tense or simple present tense. Now I am taking another example of a sentence which is in present continuous tense. Now in the present continuous, Ashutosh is reading a book. It is a sentence in present continuous tense. Subject, be verb, main verb with ing and a book. It is a sentence in present continuous tense. So what is the form of the read verb? Read, it is read. In past participle form is also read. Read, read, read. So object is a book. So writing down a book. Then is a be verb. A book is. A book is read, read, read. The read, a book is read, please, by Ashutosh. But it is in present continuous tense, so we should write a book is being read by Ashutosh. It is indicating continuous tense, that is continuity of reading. A book is being read by Ashutosh. Now I am taking an example. I shall take it. I shall take it. It is a sentence of future tense, future indefinite tense, future indefinite tense. So, it is a future indefinite tense and take is the main verb here. Then what will be? In the passive voice, I shall take it. So what? It is the object. It. Shall it. Then in case of first person shall, for other person will. It will be. It will be. That means one be verb is required. Be. Main verb in past participle form. What is the past participle form? Take, took, taken. So it will be taken by. In passive voice, it will be me, by me. It will be. Why will? When I shall, first person. But when it, that is in the third category, it will be taken by me. It is end of the class today. Next class I will explain more and more. All are requested to attend the next class also. Thanks all of you for giving attention to my class.